5 Best to Dose in New York City. Even if New York City's towering buildings and landmarks don't captivate you, its thriving arts, cuisine, fashion, and nightlife sectors will. The morning can be spent perusing the designer racks on Fifth Avenue, and the afternoon can be spent taking in the breathtaking cityscapes from the top of the Rock Observation Deck, One World Observatory, or from the back of a helicopter. If you want, you may indulge in unique cuisine in Chinatown or Little Italy after seeing the magnificent artwork on show at the Met, the Guggenheim, or the Frick Collection. Don't pass up the opportunity to purchase tickets to an award-winning Broadway production or something fresh and new in an off-Broadway venue if you still have some energy and money left. 1. Central Park. The Guggenheim, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and the American Museum of Natural History, to name a few, are some of the most well-known attractions in the city that are located near to or inside the boundaries of this part museum, and part concert hall that swallows central Manhattan. Travelers, though, stress that you shouldn't simply drive by Central Park on your route somewhere else. Both locals and visitors to New York love this 843-acre park. You can work out, eat, see the zoo, and more here. The majority of people have favorable opinions of the park, but no one has exactly the same experience as you or suggests that you do exactly the same thing. There are a staggering number of attractions here, really hidden treasures, including more than 20 playgrounds, 48 fountains, monuments or sculptures, and 30 bridges. 2. National September 11th Memorial and Museum. The main memorial to the almost 3,000 victims of the 2001 terrorist attacks and the 6 people lost in the 1993 bombing is the National September 11th Memorial and Museum. Where the World Trade Center's Twin Towers once stood, the memorial's twin reflecting ponds and man-made waterfalls now stand as haunting footprints. The 1-acre ponds are surrounded by bronze panels that bear the names of each victim. The 110,000-square-foot museum tells the story of the attacks using a number of multimedia exhibits, in-the-moment recordings, real relics, and an interactive table. 3. Empire State Building. It's also really amazing to view the Art Deco tower from the ground, especially in the evenings when mood lighting is present. Since 1976, the tower lights of the Empire State Building have maintained a custom of changing color to honor numerous events and organizations throughout the year. In 2012, the Empire State Building's distinctive dynamic lighting system was installed in place of the floodlights that had previously illuminated its iconic tower. More than 16 million hues are now available, allowing for countless color combinations and effects. 4. Rockefeller Center and Top of the Rock Observation Deck. This famous plaza is home to numerous shops and eateries as well as stunning sculptures, a sizable skating rink, and a fishbowl view of the NBC studios. Even though there will definitely be large crowds, this is an experience that must be had at least once. Unlit Christmas tree and skaters skating over the ice make the plaza shine during the winter holidays. But don't worry if your trip to New York doesn't happen to be during the winter. There is a lot to do all year round. Planning ahead will allow you to see a taping of the Today show in the morning, take in the city from the Top of the Rock Observation Deck in the afternoon, and attend a performance at Radio City Music Hall in the evening. 5. Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is the most well-known museum in the U.S. The Met is an art experience unlike any other, overflowing with masterpieces from all over the world, including notable collections from ancient Egypt and classical antiquity. However, like much of New York, it is impossible to see everything the museum has to offer in a single day, or even 2. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.